rolling, 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 rolling. For those who yet doesn't know, freediving is a form of underwater diving that relies on breath holding until resurfacing rather than the use of breathing apparatus such as scuba gear. Thank you, Wikipedia. Wow, description very good. Looks we have everything we need. Mask. You want to go along? Huh? Fine. Let me put you in. Elevator is a perfect place to mention two things. First of all, this video is not a learning material. Always go and learn with professional supervision, right? Second thing, never go diving alone. Dive buddy is a must. Now, we're good to go.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go.
So, the first day is over. We met our instructor Viacheslavas and had 2 hours theory briefing about freediving. How is your body affected underwater? What's the breathing techniques and how to move into the water. Now it's time to go sleep and see you in the swimming pool tomorrow morning. Right, so it's day 2. We just arrived to Klaipėda swimming pool. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and we're gonna go to our first practice of the day. Personally, for me, it was alright. I did all my expectations. The things to improve is maybe psychological condition. I have to calm down more, like find a way to relax, because now I'm feeling like I'm very intense and stressful about our preparation, you know, and that's the opposite thing what I need to do before diving. So that's my goal for future practices, to find better way to relax.
It's only
and
the
like,
first day, isn't it?
yeah, exactly. But you know,
Well,
we have,
we went to the bottom.
but we went to the bottom, and like technically everything is super fine. 5 more minutes, trainer, just love us, please. Alright, day 3, the same scenario as yesterday. First 3 hours in the swimming pool, learning some techniques, then break with theory, and in the end 2 hours of diving shaft. Let's go.
I like that. 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 I like that.
Oh, hello, nice to see you again. So it was amazing 2 days here in swimming pool. I feel super pumped and relaxed after these courses. We learned a lot. We met new guys from the community. That's great. Now it's time for a walk, and see you next time in the swimming pool. Swimming pool, swimming pool. Swimming pool.